Hey guys, it's Jocelyn and thank you for clicking on my channel. So today's video is going to be about this viral TikTok Starbucks. And I did get 4 drinks today. I did find these on TikTok. They're like the most famous ones right now. So let's give them a try and see how they taste. And I have my water cup, so I'm just going to be reusing my water straw. So that way we don't have to waste the straws that they give us Starbucks and we can save the turtles. Okay, so the first drink is gonna be a Grande strawberry as a refresher with no water. We're gonna substitute the peach juice, double blended strawberry pure on the bottom, and then this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can read it. Okay, so this looks really good. This is actually really good. I really like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna be rating them as well. I rate this a 10. This is such a good drink for like when you guys are just like out, like about, and like if you want to be outside and you want something to actually be refreshing you. This is a really good drink for that. Okay, the next one I'll be trying is the Grande iced peach green tea lemonade, and then I added 2 pumps of liquid cane sugar and I added a light pump of guava juice, which is, whoa, you can't really read it, so I'll just write them down on the subscription. This one looks good. It's good. It's good. It's just like refresher. I can't really taste the guava in it. I could only taste the peach green tea. But it's not bad. I mean, this one's more like if you would like to be like just having something to refresh and not have too much of a taste of like a juice. This just tastes like tea basically. Okay, the next drink I'll do, this one looks really good, guys. Look, I'll show you. So it's like, looks really good. It's a Grande strawberry crumble. It's Grande strawberry crumble Frappuccino, and then I added mocha drizzle and I added Frapp chips. So it's like the Frappuccino chocolate chips, I believe, and it looks so good. So this one and the next one are almost alike. I'll show you, but this one's strawberry. So I'm gonna taste this one really quick. This tastes like a strawberry chocolate covered, or what are they called? Chocolate covered strawberries. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It actually tastes really good. I really like this one. So I'll rate this one a 9. I'm not such a fan of too super sweet stuff, but it's really good. I didn't rate this one. This one's like a 7. I wouldn't get this one again. So now I'm gonna taste the other one. So this one's a Grande double chocolate chip Frappuccino. I added 1 pump of hazelnut and cookie crumbles, which I believe the cookie crumbles are those on top. So this one looks good too.
Hi. Thank you so much.
This one's good. I rate this like a 8. It's just like a regular chocolate chip Frappuccino. It tastes just more like you could taste the hazelnut in it. So it's good. I mean, I guess it's the point of it. My I'll give you guys my two favorite ones for this one. This one I really liked it. It's really, really refreshing. And this one. So two really good ones. There's some people outside like giving each other stuff. Must be nice. So this is the Starbucks TikTok viral drinks. I only got 4 of them. I know there is like a lot of them. When I was looking them up, I did notice that a lot of people like have been doing this challenge, I guess you can call it. So I just got these 4 for now, and I will be give them to my family members, so they will not be going to waste, or I'm not going to be throwing them away. I will be going on my way to my family, and then they can drink them as well with me. But I really, really liked the refresher, honestly. I honestly thought I was gonna like the strawberry one better, because I love chocolate covered strawberries. I love them. I really enjoyed this one more. And I do go like to Starbucks on a daily basis, and I usually get coffees in the mornings, and in the afternoons that's when I'll treat myself to a refresher or a Frappuccino. But I don't know, I really like that refresher. This is really, really good. I really recommend this one to you guys, so you guys should get this one. So that would be all for my video today. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting me. Please subscribe and ask me questions if you have any questions, or leave me comments on what you guys would like me to do next or what to film next. Thank you guys. Bye.